Hello. Right now, we're gonna go over to use this block. On a tutorial how to learn. It is the SR latch. What it basically does, it's like a toggle. If you put it into, you put a signal into it, that will create output same level. You can see here, press the button, the light will go on. Works like a toggle, you see. But if I press it again, the light won't go out. If this block receives any output or input whatsoever, continuously stay on, unless you put input into the output symbol right there. So we'll do this again. Turn it on, still on. Turn it on again, still on. Only when I power this part does the light turn off. As you can see here. So, light on, light off. Bye-bye. That is the SR latch in a nutshell. Very useful for keeping things on that you want to stay on, but not having them let them on multiple shows like theme setters. I don't know. On